Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote to transcribe notes. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. You'll see several options here and you'll want to click on Notes. This is where all your stored notes are organized and where you'll be working to add your transcribable content. Now, still in the left panel, you have two options here. You can either create a brand new note from scratch, or you can select an existing note where you want to add your file. Choose whichever option works best for your workflow. If you're starting fresh, creating a new note gives you a clean slate. If you're adding to an existing note, simply click on the note you want to edit. Once you have your note open, click anywhere in the note where you want to upload the file. This action will open up the toolbar at the top of the screen, giving you access to all the formatting and insert options you need. The toolbar is essential for adding various types of content to your notes, including files that Evernote can transcribe. In the upper left corner of this toolbar, click on Insert. This will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options for adding different types of content to your note. Scroll down through this menu until you see the File option, then click on it. This feature allows you to bring external files into your Evernote notes, making them easily accessible and, most importantly, transcribable. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Navigate to the location where your file is stored, select the file you want to transcribe, and then click Open. The file will now be uploaded and embedded directly into your note. Give it a moment to fully load into the note before moving forward. Now here's where the magic happens. Hover your mouse over the image you just added to your note. When you do this, you'll notice a Transcribe button appears on the right side of the image. Go ahead and click on it. This activates Evernote's built-in transcription feature, which uses optical character recognition technology to extract text from your image. After clicking the Transcribe button, you'll need to wait a few seconds while Evernote processes the image and generates the text. The processing time depends on the complexity and size of your file, but it's usually quite quick. During this time, Evernote is analyzing the text within your image and converting it into editable format. And there you have it. The generated text will appear at the bottom of the image in your note. You now have a fully transcribed version of your file that you can edit, search, and organize within Evernote. This makes your handwritten or printed notes fully searchable and much easier to work with. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.